Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate with strawberries. So you want to make sure you rinse your strawberries off. I've already rinsed mine off. I put them in a strainer. I'm letting them dry off. Then we're going to go over here to I have a hot water here boiling. Kind of let it simmer some. You put the chocolate in a baking dish that you can put on top. Let it kind of melt. I got my parchment paper here so I can lay my strawberries out. Now I'm going to get my strawberries out. Kind of make sure that they're patted dry. You lay them out over here on the parchment paper. Get ready to dip. And yes, I wash my hands. As you're doing that, some of these are huge. So I'm gonna lay out. Still have more left, but I'm gonna lay these out. My chocolate is going. I'm gonna get my spatula and start stirring my chocolate some. You see how that chocolate's melting? I wanna make sure it has a good. It melts really well, so when you get ready to dip, you'll be able to dip good. And this is Hershey's chocolate that I'm using. I found it to melt really well. You use whatever kind of chocolate you like that will melt. See how fast this stuff melts? It melted in no time. Probably 2 minutes, maybe. So I'm gonna turn this fire down some. I had it up a little bit just so it can melt. That's good. That's a good texture for the chocolate. So now I'm ready to pour the chocolate in a little cup that I'm gonna use to dip the strawberries in. Found that to be a pretty good cup to dip them in. I'm gonna get a little bit more stir to it. Stir it a little bit more. Make sure it's all the way hot. I mean, it's all the way smooth, rather. You want it to be able to melt well, so that way when you dip your strawberries, you have a good coating. And I think that's good. So I'm going to transfer the chocolate into this cup that I showed you. Look how smooth that is. That's how smooth your chocolate should be. Try to make sure I get all of it. Just made a little mess, but that's okay. And that's about a cup of chocolate there. So then, I normally use a toothpick. I'm gonna wait about 30 seconds to a minute. Let that chocolate cool just a little bit. Well, not necessarily cool, but I just poured it in there. So I got my strawberries here. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to grab them by the leaf part. You can either do it this way, with the leaf part. Dip it straight in there. Kind of let that excess chocolate dip off there. on your parchment paper. And by the way, I'm not a pro at this, so I don't claim to be. And the same thing. These are big, huge strawberries too, y'all. Same thing with that one. Now, if you want to use a toothpick, you can get the toothpick and stick the toothpick inside of it, in the middle, and dip it in there like that. And that's an easy technique also. You have more control when you use the toothpick. Lay it out like that. Okay, so this is how you dip your chocolate covered strawberries. When I come back, or actually I'll update a video and I'll show you how they turned out. I'm gonna add candy to them and kind of spruce them up. So that's it, guys. Thank you.